Okay, guys, thank you once again for joining in. Uh, just a minute. Screen not visible. I am new, would like to like something to be repeated. Okay, not a problem at all. We will definitely be repeating a few of the slides. Okay, but we have lots to cover, so we want to cover as much as possible. Okay, so let us start. So what we had actually gone through is why why when you are looking at your portfolios, okay, why when the things goes down you keep on losing money. Okay, just we have taken an example of say Bajaj Finance. You have say 100 of Bajaj Finance, that means you have put in 2,70,000 rupees. Or if you have bought 250 shares of Bajaj Finance, say the price is 2,700, that means you have put in 6,75,000 rupees. What is the outcome? You have put in your hard-earned money, okay, and you want that the price should go up always, right? If that is the mindset. But what happens if the price rise, then and then only the money is coming in? But what happens if the price just remains dancing over there? What happens? And think about it, when the price will go down, 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 what happens then? So from 12,400, okay, the market has really fallen down to 7,500. That has been a painful journey of almost everyone who have done some investment. Why? Because we are not taught how to sell or how to even protect our capital. So this is the problem with almost every one of us. Okay, so why the market is going down, 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 down? Okay, we are unable to do anything. No, it is not that. Do you believe that even when you do not own a particular share, you can sell first and buy later on the same day? You can sell first right at the top and then buy lower, and in between ka jo profit is there is yours. Yes, it is 100% true that you can sell first and buy lower. So in the similar fashion, you have this derivative game where people can sell and then buy lower, okay, or can buy and take it when the price goes up, you want to be a buyer. So that is what the sentiments is all about. But what to do, when to do, how to do is a question mark. So 10-15 minutes we are going to have lot of questions. Okay, so stop going up and down. But you, if it remains as it is, your 6 lakh rupees, 7 lakh rupees, 2.5 lakh rupees, whatever you are putting in, that remains there. It doesn't give anything. That means interest bhi nahi mil raha hai. And if the price keeps on going down, 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 you lose your capital also. So in this particular scenario, what to do? So technically, option is used to help you to hedge your portfolios. Okay, so in case the market goes down, in case the price goes down, okay, you can hedge your portfolios. Your losses can be offset. It is simple. I am into an insurance field also. My whole family is into insurance business. Okay, so we do life insurance. So then think about it. When you are buying a life insurance, what you do? Are you not protecting yourself or your family for financial disaster? Something is going wrong, you are protecting yourself. So what exactly you are doing? You are buying an option. If something going wrong, my policy will take care of that. Or you are buying an mediclaim, which will help you in case you go sick. कोरोना हुआ एंड हॉस्पिटल में गया तो क्या करने वाले आप? So that expense which are skyrocketing get offset by the premium you pay. So option mein you are paying premium to offset that losses which keep on coming in again and again. So how to go about this protection is what we actually want to understand and learn. So this is where the derivative comes into picture. Okay, this is where you can have derivatives of stocks, options, bonds, currency, anything. Okay, and this is very, very, very important. But the objective is, people have been tired to hear, "Arey, ye to stock market is a gambling dam. How can you enter stock market?" But think about it. How many people are making wealth out of it? Is this not wealth creating business? Of course it is. लेकिन आपको डराया गया है. वो डरते क्यों है? Because you don't have the learning what is there. Okay, and it is being said, अरे इसने इतना रुपया तोड़ दिया, इसका पैसा डूब गया, and blah blah blah. So think about it. When you are putting your money in the mutual fund, what they are saying, it is subject to market risk. Please read the offer document before investing. So are they not warning you? Now somebody smoking cigarette, is there not a warning on the box? Right? But then still we do what has to be done, क्योंकि हमको चाहिए दिल मांगे more. So why not learn this thing in a correct fashion, okay, and enjoy? It could become your second income. In fact, I am educating almost everyone, okay, not from the field of finance, okay, a computer hardware engineer. Technically, I was into TV video, and then I became computer hardware engineer, okay, and 22 years into computer field, and then suddenly, accidentally, I have come to this particular market. And believe me, in what I had not achieved in the 20 years of my computer career, I have achieved in the last 8 years. That has been the power of this particular market. ये बोलते हैं 24/7 market किधर ना किधर चालू रहता है. You can trade equity, you can trade forex, you can trade commodity. 24/7, some or the market is open. So you have to believe in yourself that yes, this place is where the money can be made. ये जो डर आपको बताया गया है, it is just because you have to get out. यहाँ पे आना नहीं, पैसा टूटेगा. अरे पैसा टूट रहा है तो कोई ना कोई तो पैसा बना रहा है. तो वो लोग कौन है जो पैसा बनाते हैं? The problem is, this is what happens. This is what you have been told. अरे इतना मुश्किल है ऑप्शंस को सीखने का. See the definition of the option which they have come out with. तो इंग्लिश इज रियली अ फनी लैंग्वेज. कुड, वुड एंड शुड में हम लोग को अटका देते हैं. ओके, एंड दिस इज व्हाट द पुट का खाली डेफिनेशन इज सो डिफिकल्ट. ओके, सो आदमी क्या बोलता है, यार ये नहीं सीखने का मेरे को. ओके, अगर नहीं सीखना है तो अगर आप सीखने वाले नहीं हो तो हाउ डू विल मेक मनी? एंड देन ऑन द टॉप, ओके, देन दे हैव कम आउट विद अल्फा बीटा गामा एंड ऑल दैट. सो दैट इज व्हाट ऑल द प्राइसिंग ऑफ, वो जो इंश्योरेंस का प्रीमियम भरते हैं तो प्रीमियम का कैलकुलेशन हो रहा है. ओके, तो दैट कैलकुलेशन विच इज देयर. ओके, screen is not clear. Can anybody confirm that the screen is not clear? Let me refresh the screen. Thank you. Let me refresh the screen. Okay, clear now? Clear? Okay, great. Thank you. So we have this alpha, beta, gamma. Okay, so we have this alpha, beta, gamma, wherein you have to learn all this first. Change in volatility is vega, theta is change in the time remaining, delta, blah blah blah. Yes, we have to learn, not problem at all. Okay, you have to learn, but the problem is how to go about it. So this Black-Scholes model is the one which technically has lot of calculations which go in. So much of calculation going in. Okay, and I am really telling you, I am bad at mathematics. Okay, and that is why ये सब नहीं चाहिए मेरे को. So then what to do? The best way to go about is, this is an option chain. यहाँ पे all the data is available of what the market is technically doing. Yes, this is available to you. Now we have to understand how to interpret this data. Just interpretation of this data. Okay, this is there on NSE website. It is open for everyone, but you need to understand how to interpret and learn what is the big players doing, and then you have to take action accordingly. So this is option chain. This is what we do. So what generally what people are saying is, strike price ke side mein, when the price goes up, you have to buy a call. Okay, this is what is being basically taught to everyone. But what strike price to buy? When is your expiration? कुछ नहीं मालूम है, लेकिन किसी ने बोला कि ऊपर जाएगा तभी कॉल बाय करो है, एंड ये ऑप्शन चेन में जाके थोड़ा बहुत इधर उधर देख लो, नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम एट ऑल, एंड जब भी पुट बाय करो जब भी प्राइसिंग नीचे जा रहा है. नाउ यू आर डूइंग एवरीथिंग पॉसिबल क्योंकि किसी ने बताया, लेकिन ये नहीं बताया कि व्हाट टू डू, एग्जैक्टली व्हाट टू डू. स्ट्राइक प्राइस कौन सा लेने का, एक्सपीरियंस के लिए क्या है क्या नहीं, नथिंग. So two things you learned by listening to someone. Okay, you Google it, investopedia.com, and the whole bunch is there. Tons and tons of data is there. Tons and tons of data. Lekin just imagine karo, if there is so much of data available, is the data now which is there on the NSE website also? Yes, it is there on the NSE website also. But then how will you interpret that data? Who is going to tell you? Either you go to your tip wala, or you listen to the CNBC, NDTV wala, tie wala things coming in, or you will read the newspapers. Kidhar kya hone wala hai, and then you have no clue. Boss, think about it. All that tie wala, suit wala, okay, and the people who write, they are all people like you and me. Seriously, they are people like you and me. Okay, in my trading room, there is no TV. There is practically no TV in my trading room. My charts are the one, my data, which is there on the NSE side. Okay, that is the only thing available for me to trade, and I still make money. Okay, while we are learning, we go live in the market, and I put in my trades, and I show them, boss, यहाँ पे trade लेना है, यहाँ पे अपनी exit है, this is our stop loss. So now somebody will tell me, boss, stop loss क्यों? Yes, that is where we want to protect our capital. Okay, do I go wrong? 101%. I have been wrong many a times. I would say I would have been gone wrong 10,000 times. So somebody saying, "Can no, हम लोग का तो loss लगता ही नहीं है." No, it is not like that. Losses are part and parcel of this particular business, but we make more money when we are right than when we are wrong. So if we lose 1 rupee, we are making 4 rupees, 3 rupees, 5 rupees, 10 rupees. So this is where we are making a lot of money, because we have understood the game correctly. We have understood what the big players wants to do, and that is where we want to go behind them. Just to give you one more example, okay, let me share with you my portfolio, which I started just few months back, my portfolio. Let me share with you. Okay, then we will take a lot of question answers also, not a problem at all. So let me share the so this is the charts which I keep on having. Okay, so I teach technicals also, so these are the charts which is there. Okay, so somebody who would love to have this particular thing to learn technicals, this is what I trade on a regular basis. Okay, so this is one of the part of my portfolio. Okay, so are you able to see the screen? Okay, great. So see this, I have bought Reliance at 910, Okay, now the price is 1759, going up by 93%. I had bought M&M at 285. Now it is at 500, up by 75%. And now check the list which we have bought at the right time and see the way the prices have gone up. Okay, 73%, 61%, 51%, 48%. Okay, now this is what I love about stock market. The amount of money which is there is madness. And this I just started in the month of March. Practically started on the 24th of March. It is not even 3 months and my portfolio is so strong as on now. Now, I was not an investor earlier. I am a trader. Right now also, I am a trader. I do intraday trading. I do swing position trading. I do option trading. I do even commodity trading. Okay. Now, I'll show you a few of the examples on this also. So now see this. Am I wrong in some entries? Yes. Let me show you down below my portfolios over here. Okay. Let me show. Not everyone has performed that strong. Okay. But still not bad. Okay. Now see, few of the stocks which I had taken at a later stage. Okay. Are down, definitely down by 4% over here. Biocon down by 4%. Okay, my entry was little late, definitely, but see this. Am I not wrong? Of course, some minus is always going to be there, but at the higher side, just check it out. 93% Reliance. So Reliance, which has been the forerunner of the Nifty, going down from 7,500 levels onwards. Is it not wonderful to have such portfolios with you? Guys, just to show you, okay, Glenmark, which is part and parcel of my this thing. Okay, now see where this Glenmark entry was there. Now there are videos which have been there. Okay, my M series. Okay, M series ka videos which are being posted on the YouTube. My channel is Mayur Sampath. Okay, now see where we had this beautiful moves, where the price was right at 205 levels, around 160 level, and now where is the price? Let me put it across as far as the Reliance is concerned, and why my Reliance ka 905 ka entry was there. Just check this out. Just check this out. Now this is the advantage you can get when you understand the market beautifully well. This was the support area of Reliance. Okay, and this is where the price has gone. Now, do we see a still up move? Of course. Of course. Why not? Now you are going to buy right at the top. Now in this, I have done a lot of in and out also. So technically, my price of Reliance has gone down to less than 600 rupees. Okay. Now, how did we find out where the price will tend to go? Now, this is the tool which is called as a Fibonacci extension. We had used this tool and to find out where it could go. Now, this is a strong stock which is going up, up, up. But I had even taken smaller stocks, small price stocks. Let me explain to you. I'll take one more example on this also. Okay, it was, I just showed you in my portfolio and it is up by again 70-80%. See this. A 14-15 rupees wala stock. Okay, going up till 40 rupees. Almost 100%. This too, I have 100% made 100% on this. Not a problem at all. Okay. But the point is, do you buy low and sell high? Now my position is good. But what if the market crash now? 2 mahina, okay, all the results will be again starting. Okay, April was total lockdown. May was total lockdown. Things have started to work in the last 7-8 days. So two months of total lockdown. So what will be the status as far as the balance sheet is concerned? What will be the balance sheet like in the last 3 months ka balance sheet? Then how can the prices are keeping on going up, 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 up? Is it not madness here? But this is what market is all about. Okay, when you have a rational mind, कि नहीं ये तो नीचे जाएगा ही जाएगा, the things are going up. But over here we can actually see the price going up. So why not I buy this? Now let me show you one with a simple example. Okay, just to give you an example. Okay, and how come, you know, in almost all the things this is happening. Okay, now see this. This is called as a cup and handle formation. This is a cup and this is a handle. Okay, and the point is I can find out where is my targets. So this is my first target. Okay, and this is my second target. So wherever is the point. So this is what we learn as far as the markets are concerned. So it is not that market में क्या होने वाला है, कैसे होने वाला है, वो नहीं पता है. Yes, the charts can speak out to you, boss, I want to do this. Okay, now check this out. Now this is network 18. Okay, let me show you silver ka chart also. Okay, just showing you one silver ka chart. See this silver ka chart. This is in front of you, right? And this is posted on the YouTube channel also. While we were learning and while we were understanding why silver also will tend to go up. Okay, so let me help you with this and understand. Okay, this is what you need to understand. See, is this not a cup and handle once again? So this is your cup and handle. Okay, and we get our targets also. This is your first target and looking for a second target. So what to do, when to do is what is most important as far as the market is concerned. So option will give you that alternative of how this game is being played. How this game is being played. Option can give you that additional advantage. Okay, and this is what we need to understand. Why options? Why options? Mayur sir, where Zerodha is good to open account for getting good or low age? Zerodha is good, not a problem at all. 20 rupees ka thing. If you want, I can share the link with you. Zerodha mein, not a problem. Questions, please. So, guys, 20th June, options without Greek classes are starting. Greeks nahi chahiye mere ko. Nahi chahiye. Why? Because it is problematic. Problem hai. You don't know what to do, when to do, how to do. So I am not ready to go and learn about Greeks, but I want to still play the game. So bull and bear, upper and niche, kidhar bhi jayega, I want to make money out of it. The key to being successful as a trader is not losing money in between the big moves, but to stay in the market. So you are there when the big move comes in. So जब भी ऊपर जाएगा, मेरे को पैसा बनाना है. But at the same time, now my portfolio is strong. But if the market now goes down, मेरे को protect करना है मेरा पैसे को. मैं वापस नहीं दे दूंगा. Okay, so option trading is all about risk management. It is like you buying your insurance, your Mediclaim insurance, your life insurance. It is risk management. And once you understand the risk, this is what happens. You know, 28th, 27th and 28th, only 2 days. Okay, right now we have these sessions going on in the evening classes. लेकिन सब लोग के पास time नहीं है. Not a problem at all. 2 days you need to give it to me. Okay, and I will be giving you 3 strategies. Okay, one for daily, one for weekly, and one for monthly. 3 strategies we will learn, we will discuss, okay, and then we will also go live in the market. So once we have this 2 days ka boot camp, the workshop, okay, it will be from 10 to 5. 2 दिन 10 to 5. Why itna time lagne wala? Yes, I need to make you understand what to do, how to go about it, and I need to explain to you the strategies also. Okay, and I also need to explain to you the option chain. Okay, so frankly, you will ask me, is there a winning formula? So I would always tend to say, take a position as per the setup. So what you need to learn is the setup. And believe me, there is practically no winning formula. I have to be honest with you. There is practically no winning formula. But taking profit home is the most important thing in the market. Paisa ghar pe aana chahiye. While our laptop can become our ATM machine. 101%, almost on a regular basis. Okay, I have been posting my trades onto the groups. Those who are new to me, those who don't know me, okay, I have been posting 1 minute trade, 3 minute trade, making 2,000 rupees, 4,000 rupees. Good enough, not a bad. That means you need to improve your skills, and the skills is the one which is going to give you the money. I am not the one who is. So the only thing which I am advocating is protect your capital. Risk management is the most important thing. Forget all the reasons why it won't work and believe that the reason why it will work. We push our children to learn. एक क्लास में से दूसरे क्लास, तीसरे क्लास, चौथे क्लास, साइंस कंप्लीट हुआ, हिंदी मराठी कंप्लीट हुआ, ड्राइंग के क्लास, जूडो, कराटे. We push them, but we don't want to push ourselves. Why? Because learning becomes difficulty. Why? Because we have an ego in our place. But guys, once you learn this, sky is the limit. And this is not age related. Anybody can learn this. That is the beauty. I am going to post, okay, on my YouTube channel, okay, a guy who is 69 years old. उसने कल हमारे क्लास में he gave a wonderful interview. 69 years old guy, okay, he's been my student, and he has given an interview. He was able to generate 100 plus points in Maruti while the Maruti was running. 100 points, 110 points in fact, in Maruti. So I'm going to post that video for everyone to watch. It is nothing to do with the age, okay, but it is to do with yourself, whether you would love to work on yourself. You want to reinvent yourself. कि यार ये easy चीज है, तो why not learn this? Okay, remember how you see and how you act is very important. So act wisely. Winners are the people who never fails, but they are the people who never quit. So non-technical guy, okay, not from the market. I am not a market maker. I am not from the finance background. Okay, I am been successful in the market for only one reason. I have found a way, a simple technique, which I am now sharing with every one of us. Simple technique. Okay, how to go about even trading options without Greek. Now you say, okay, you don't know technicals. Not a problem at all. Okay, my technical classes are also there. In case you want to learn the technicals. Okay, we have Clark to Superman, a 100% professional course, which is a almost 1 year, 1 month long course. Morning two classes, evening 2 classes. Okay, and we go we learn technicals, we learn options. Okay, and you are also part and parcel of our club. Yes, 1 year club membership is given free to you. Now, what is this club membership? The club membership is what? 1 year में हफ्ते पूरा महीने में 2 बार हम लोग मिलते हैं, सेम ऑन द webinar, 2 times. One is in the second week and one is after the expiry. Okay, so every month we have the option ka expiry, the futures ka expiry. So last Thursday of the month is an expiry, so we meet on a Sunday to find out कि अभी next month में क्या होने वाला है, which are the stocks which are strong, what is the market going to do. And believe me, all the players who are there with me as my friends, okay, as my students now, okay, they have been able to take advantage of that interactions which we go about. Is it a tip wala service? No, it is not a tip wala service. Believe me, it is not a tip wala services. It is just to learn the right way. Okay, I can give you fish every day, but instead of that, I help you to understand how to go about fishing, so you don't go hungry when I'm not there. Okay, so if you are ready to spend some time with me to understand, to learn this simple game, I am saying simple game. My definition of call and put is just one liner. Now you saw what they have given us as a definition. It is tiring. I have done so many classes, okay, and it took me some time to understand all this. By the time I had lost my account, so I don't want you to lose your account. Okay, I want you to give a simple system. जो मैं ट्रेड करता हूं आज की तारीख में, okay, we have been taking trades, beautiful trades, wherein we have been able to make some money. We are able to hedge our portfolios at the same time with small amount. Yes, I would say you will need bigger amount or bigger account size if you want to become a seller of an option, which is what you need to do. You have to become a seller of an options. Okay, and you have to just relax and sit down. Yes, this is how I relax and sit down, because I know what I am doing in the market, and the money comes every single day. So guys, this is depending on you, on what options you are going to select. Either you are going to join me, or you are just going to look forward to a crying wala face. You know, we will talk about government what is government doing, what is China doing, how bad the economy is, blah 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 blah. Okay, and you can do this 101%, not a problem at all. Okay, you can go and watch Netflix and see movies, that is also fine. But is this not a waste of time and energy? Now you have got a chance to learn. Now this is up to you.